Hello everyone, today I am going to explore my granny's garden. The first thing is, look at this nice pink flowers. Look at these nice. You can peel them. See, they're so beautiful, right? See? And next is, they have nice cute leaves. See? This is also one type of croton, and this is also one type of croton, and these three are same. Okay. Snake plant. Look, so wiggly. You see one? See this tall. So short. It's so short. This is very big snake plant. Next is, this is a snow plant. Looks so snowy. I love it. But look at this nice little leaves. So smooth. I love it. Here is a ladybug. See, there's a hibiscus tree. Next is red and white plant. Look at this pink over here, and there's again pink over there. See? See, this is just a New Year's tree. We can decorate it for Christmas. The Christmas tree is so big, so height. We can put it the star up there if we want to for Christmas. But Christmas is so many days. It's very long, like this size. Okay, bottle guard is this size. Okay. Next,